Barbados 2022.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. Trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else is true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want it, I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I'm.
I can't get to the next one.
We at the restaurant.
She didn't come over. Strip it ourselves. Look at you.
About to go eat. Shots already and I'm already lit. We took it somewhere else though. I didn't vlog it, but he's telling me to take some of his drink. Like, no, I'm already lit. I'm already lit. What appetizers are we gonna do? You gonna do the crab cake?
Where over that side?
I want to try oysters.
Where's the crab cake?
I think we should try them.
Where's the crab?
Appetizer. Right here.
That's crab cake?
Yes, it is. Why you say no, it's not?
Does it say something in the front?
I'm getting probably surf and turf with lobster mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and that's it. And an Oreo cheesecake.
New York steak.
Yes, I'm getting oysters. We finna try it. He gonna try it with me.
Lobster
We never
tail.
tried it before, but
No.
we need to try it. We're gonna try it.
Again, lobster tail, no Caribbean. No Caribbean, that's what I'm looking for.
We're getting oysters, so get ready. Get ready to eat them. We're getting some. I'm lucky when I get in the jacuzzi or pool or the bathtub. I just want to take my pictures. I hope I'm not too drunk. Because they looking woozy right now. They looking real woozy right now. He's drunk, so they looking woozy. I'm gonna hit y'all when the food come out. I'm too lit right now. I can't even talk. But I just got dressed and this is what I'm wearing today. And we are going on a boat ride. So I'm almost done getting ready. I just have to put on some sunscreen and then we gotta go to the rental. I mean the taxi. But my hair, I just put it in this little clip. It's cute. Put on my sandals, put on my body glitter, and then we out the door.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be?
But we're about to go ahead and leave out, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I'm about to get on the bus right now. This is the bag I'm bringing today, my little beach bag. And hopefully I get some good pictures, because yesterday I didn't get no pictures. Huh? We gotta wait here. Anyways, I hope I get some good pictures on the boat or something. If not, I'm gonna just take some pictures tonight. We just made it. We're about to get on the boat. Yo, my feet hurt so bad. These are so uncomfortable. Oh shoot. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, but it's pretty big though. They got the bar right there. It's time to get turned. Oh my gosh. Oh, so we take our shoes off. We got the bar.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you need.
Which way are turtles? Right over here.
Okay.
Guys, can I get this one behind anything?
It's Barbados 2022. You know how we do. Barbados 2022.
Cool.
Round 2.
Fight. This one is called the baby maker. You gotta be very careful.
I don't know how you do that.
Just one look at you.
I'm drunk and I'm about to get in, y'all. Got my life jacket on. Got in and I was swimming across the boat and stuff. It was so fun. I'm currently lit right now. My hair is wet. Oh, we just got back to the room. It was so cute.
It's done.
Then they filled up the bathtub. Get on my way.
Bitch.
It's like, nah. They filled the bathtub up. I put the bottle right there and the 2 champagne glasses, but they moved it. Probably because it was just in the way. But look at it. This is so cute. You say he done, but he's still. We back 5, bro, and we're gonna be inside, not outside this time, because he wanna be in the AC.
Chilling in the AC.
Chilling in the AC.
That's 60 minutes.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, it feels good in here. You like it?
It's a good change. Can you kind of say yesterday? It's a good change.
I'm about to go ahead and undress. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I leave. I think I got one. We're done. We just about to chill right here.
Tropical vibes.
Good.
3 hours later.
Our butler ended up finding us a restaurant to go to. My face is so red, y'all. So we just got dressed. I had to hurry up and get dressed and stuff, so I couldn't even vlog me getting ready, but this is what I'm wearing. I'll make a better video when I stand up. I'm wearing these sandals with my bag, period. But this is where we at. Cheap. They got some cool stuff. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I don't know. I hope it's good because we really hungry. We got some wonton soup and we got us a lemon drop, but that tastes so
This
weird.
soup looks different than mine. Where's some?
Mine was darker than his. Like, what y'all do to me? What they try it out. We're gonna rate this meal for y'all. So the soup right now is a 10 out of 10. Is it okay? Is it okay? Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Where's my name? 5 out of 10.
You don't like it?
It's alright. He was like, it's so good, it's so good. I'm like, alright. My face is so red. I ordered some lo mein. He ordered General Tso's, so hopefully it's good. I got firecracker shrimp with the sweet sauce, and he got barbecue ribs. They look red. Let's try it out.
Let's go. What it tastes like? You capping?
It's good.
Tell me.
It's real good. I rated it a 7 out of 10. I got shrimp and beef lo mein, and he got General Tso's with the white rice. It look good. He don't know how. It's his first time, y'all. He don't know what to do. Go ahead, let's see if you can do it.
Let's see.
1 hour later.
Keep trying. Oh. Dang, y'all, we got a lot of pictures. Oh, I'm looking fried in a couple of them. Look at me. Look, y'all, I told y'all I got in there. Look at me, y'all said, don't be sneaking pictures of me, boy. Look at us getting lit. Cheers. Oh, he got pictures of us on the jet skis. Ah, look at his fire back. Oh, yeah. Good morning, y'all. So today is the final day. We are leaving, but I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'll have more trips coming soon.